what's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Austin Salem here. And in today's video, we've got a brand new Angry Grandma video to be reacting to. It's not brand new, but it's brand new to me. So, and it has not been featured on the channel yet. So, there you go. It's called Angry Grandma Destroys My Car. And it's 20 minutes and 38 seconds long. So, let's get to it. 3, 2, 1, and we are rolling, baby.
Today, me and my granddaughter Shelby is going to get that motherfucking Jake back. Say hi, Shelb.
Hey, guys.
That looks like my damn cigarettes I lost last night.
Oh, shit.
It is. What I lost last night.
Oh, damn.
Somebody's took 2 or 3 out of them, though.
Oh,
my
shit.
fuck, they left me 4 of them. I'm going to put them motherfuckers in my pocket.
There you go, Gran.
Help me get a fake brick. So,
that's
here
a
we
fake
go,
brick
guys.
that,
Jacob!
that don't look fake.
Jacob!
That don't look very fake.
Shelby, he
Okay.
ain't coming out. Yeah, I'll call him.
Hello?
Hey, come outside. I gotta show you something.
Hello?
Oh
Come
my God.
outside. I gotta show you something, motherfucker.
I'm in the bathroom, Gran.
I don't give a damn. Get your ass out here.
He's on the fucking toilet.
Did you use all the toilet paper?
Get out here.
Hello?
Get your fucking ice out here now.
Okay.
Motherfucker. Can't tell him nothing.
No, you can't.
Now let's see if he comes out.
Oh shit!
I
He's
think
coming.
he's still on my fucking phone hollering Granny.
I
Oh,
can't.
shit.
He's outside. He's coming.
Jake! I'm
Oh
here!
fuck. Oh no.
What are you guys doing?
I want to show you something. Come here, I want to show you something.
What is that, a rock? Is that a cinder block?
Yeah. What's this? Stop! Motherfucker! I got you on that
Oh, my
shit,
God.
ISO. That's payback for all that shit you've done to me, ISO.
She got him.
This is a prank.
I ain't telling shit. Motherfucker.
Got him.
What the hell was that?
Oh shit.
I'll show you a fucking prank.
It did leave a mark! What it?
Show
Throw it at him, Gran.
What it, Gran?
Get on the table. Yeah, get on your pop shit. Better get your fucking face back.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Fucking hell. Wow.
It's a pretty nice night out tonight, Gran.
Bullshit! The way it's been raining and everything else, lightning, thundering, hear it? Yeah, it's
Oh,
really
shit.
a nice night, ain't it, Jake? That's why the fuck I've been hurting like I have.
Oh
My
damn.
knee and my hip. It's on account of this.
Gran, should we go in the tub?
No, I ain't going in no fucking tub. If it comes a tornado, it'll just blow my ass away.
Or the basement?
Granny.
Where in the
God
fuck
damn.
you gonna find the basement? Go over and get in the pond with the ducks. I'm telling you, your lights better not go the fuck out tonight. Till I'm about 2 sheets of the wind. I better be fucking...
That guy's on
Yeah, on a fucking moped going down here and it, through here and it raining. Stupid ice. Well, there was a young boy, walking by when I was out here the other time with a basketball.
jeez.
You see that lightning?
Damn. That's bad. Holy shit.
You tell me, motherfucker, it's going to storm. Getting too fucking still and quiet.
What do you mean, still?
That's a a warning. That's a sign of a tornado or
Oh, damn.
hurricane or whatever.
A hurricane.
Motherfucker, the way that lightning's going, oh fuck. That thunder it'll cut loose again in a minute. Damn. Shit. I ain't afraid of storms, but damn. I was almost in a fucking tornado one time.
What happened?
Fuck it went right across their fucking house.
Oh,
A
shit.
tornado?
Yes. We didn't
Damn.
know what the hell was going on, and we sat there and we heard this big freight train. They went with those railroad tracks around us. That was the fucking tornado going across us.
Oh, shit.
It could have been a car.
That'd be fucking terrifying.
That sounds like a big damn freight train. Yeah, a car sounds like a fucking freight train. It sure as fuck does.
Jake.
Look at that.
Some of the
And
stuff
that
this guy
was
says, I
them.
swear to God.
That's what scares me. It gets quiet. Motherfucker, you hear that one?
Damn.
Oh shit, that was a big one.
Holy shit.
I'm telling you. Motherfucker.
Sounded like it came
I
from.
wonder if I
on
get
top
storms
of my
like that in
roof.
Missouri. Holy shit.
It's right over your house, probably. The thunder is.
No, it sounds like somebody's on top of it. Gran, you need to be a
Jesus.
little careful. Smoking out here during a storm.
What the fuck's smoking got to do with it?
That lightning could have tracked from that cigarette.
Bullshit.
I heard
What?
a study about it on the news.
Oh,
They're not attracted by a cigarette.
Yes, they
They
are.
can stick. No, they're not.
Granny, they did a study.
I don't give a fuck what they done.
the study of what?
There's
That
a
a bullshit?
30% chance or higher that somebody who's a smoker will get electrocuted during a thunderstorm.
Bullshit.
It's true shit.
Oh, bullshit. There'd be a lot of us dead ices
Fucking hell.
around there. Motherfucker, did you see that one?
See,
Damn.
that's what I'm telling you.
Hey, lightning ain't got no point to hit. It'll hit anywhere it decides to. And if it hits
true.
you, kiss your ass goodbye.
You told me Uncle Leroy got hit by lightning twice.
Fuck! No!
You told me that.
Bullshit! You sitting there just making up fucking shit. You know better than that shit. I don't usually do weather reports
Oh,
on
shit.
this,
A weather
but
report
I'm
from Grandma?
telling you guys, be careful out there. It's a lightning every 2 fucking minutes, thundering like the sky's falling. And I'm telling you what, I don't know if it's the
Oh,
apocalypse.
shit. It's like
or
Chicken Little. The
what
sky is
fuck
falling.
it is. Could be a tornado, a hurricane, or whatever. Cause it'll get real quiet every few minutes.
Oh, shit.
Damn, here comes a fucking car. Are those guys fucking stupid to be out in this shit? It's thundering like it is and lightning like it is.
It's true, Gran. It's
Son
true.
of a bitch. Motherfucker. Get that fucking light out of my eyes like that.
God, she's...
Asshole.
She's
I should
pissed
throw
off
that
on this
damn
video,
shoe
holy
up
shit.
there in the fucking road. Maybe a little bit of that shit will come off of it. But fuck that, that's Jake's. I ain't doing it. If it was mine, I'd just have it off. See how quiet it got? It got real quiet.
Oh, shit.
Motherfuck.
That means the storm's over.
That don't mean the damn thing's over. You just keep watching that way. You watch it. You watch it. I'm telling you.
Good
It
God.
ain't over. It ain't over by a fucking long shot. See what the thing? Cause the damn tornado come through here, it ain't a blowing mine over in the damn duck pond. Listen to that fucking thunder. I'm going in the fucking house and I'm going to get in the bed, cover my fucking head up. Maybe I'll pass out and won't hear it no more, and it can just blow on through.
Granny.
Oh, fuck!
Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
I'm
She's
going
out.
in the house.
Oh,
That
oh,
one
shit.
done it. That was fucking
She's
dumb
gone.
to me.
Wait,
I ain't
Gran!
watching it. Hell no, I ain't waiting.
Granny!
Coming in here. I'm not gonna sit out there or stand out there and let that lightning hit me in the fucking eyes.
Damn straight, Gran.
Hey, this is Sacred Grandma with a quick reminder. If you guys are enjoying the video, then smash that fucking like button. Leave an awesome fucking comment below. Be sure to turn on post notifications so you never miss an upload
You guys are
from
gonna
my
fucking-
wife. Also, YouTube has been demonetizing my ass on account of me saying the word fuck. Also, subscribe, bitches.
Oh, good God.
Love you guys.
It's like a fucking infomercial with Granny in it.
Did you eat all of my Halloween candy?
Halloween candy, hell! I ain't bought no fucking Halloween candy.
I did, and I had it up here.
Bullshit, you ain't bought shit.
There's only like 2 Reese's left in this.
That's mine. I bought them the other night.
No, you didn't.
The fuck I did.
Granny, I had a whole box of candy.
I don't know. It fucking disappeared, didn't it? You never bought a fucking thing. You think you gonna go in there and get my candy, what little bit, 2 things I got, and say, Granny, what happened to my Halloween candy? Bullshit. Cause you didn't buy none, motherfucker.
It's still storming out there.
No shit. I don't know why the fuck you're worried about Halloween. Hell, this damn place might not even be standing in the fucking morning.
Oh, shit.
The way it's a storming up there, it could come up anything. And blow our asses goodbye.
Maybe we can give these out for Halloween.
Them damn fucking marshmallows ain't worth a shit. They ain't no good. They're expired.
No, they're not.
Oh.
So how long have you had them?
They
Expired.
expire February.
February? You know how long it's been since February?
Oh,
This is fucking
shit.
September, so I'm giving these motherfuckers out. Fuck. They leave piles and piles of dog shit on me. I'm gonna eat one a many fucking way. Cause I'm gonna enjoy myself. Cause I might not be here in the fucking morning.
Oh, Granny.
Granny, those are for the trick-or-treaters.
They ain't for trick-or-treaters, they're for my ass right now. Ain't bad.
I told you, they're still good.
You oughta bite motherfucker, I ain't giving you one. When my kids was little, your dad now. Well, I had that ramen noodle. Whatever I had to keep them little fuckers from TPing my house and throwing dog shit on it.
Ramen noodles?
Ramen noodles!
Damn.
You know what ramen noodles are? And if you say no, you're a lying asshole. I'm gonna eat my fucking marshmallows. Leave me the hell alone. And shit, in my day, we didn't give out a damn thing because nobody went trick-or-treating.
You got marshmallow on your lip.
I don't give a damn. I got it all in my mouth. It's all going to the same fucking spot. Right out my asshole.
So what would you do for Halloween when you were younger?
Nothing. What nobody give out candy and shit back then.
Damn.
What's wrong? What's wrong?
They something fucking stinking.
Uh-oh.
What do you mean?
The fuck?
It's stinking. It smells like shit. It's coming from your refrigerator. It's gotta come from your refrigerator.
I don't smell anything.
Open the motherfucker up and I bet you knock you back on your ice.
What is that?
God
I
damn.
don't know what it is. If I don't, I'll tell you. Can't you smell the damn stuff?
Granny, help me find that smell.
Oh my god.
What's that smell?
Oh, motherfucker! It's that damn pot of water. It's molded.
Oh!
Fucking molded.
Oh! God, that's
I
fucking...
thought that
Holy
fucking
sh...
pot was empty.
Oh my god!
Fuck! Take it.
Holy
Pour it down the
shit.
fucking sink.
Oh my god,
What's
that's
in there?
nasty.
I don't. Molded water. Fuck.
She just told ya.
Leaves a damn pot of water on their stove, and it fucking molds. Mold. Oh my
Holy...
god.
Oh, Granny. Oh, Granny.
Oh fuck.
Why does it smell like that?
It was molded.
Yeah, but it's water.
I don't give a fuck. It still stink, I hope. She cooked something in that fucking water and she left it laying, sitting there.
Oh,
And I didn't know it
Jesus
was
Christ.
full of fucking water.
Ooh.
Motherfucker.
It's fucking nasty, bro.
Oh, hell. Give me some damn dishwashing liquid. Whoa.
Why does it smell like that?
It's
Oh, my God.
molded. It's been there, I guess, for a fucking week and you guys ain't smelled it.
It's water.
I don't give a... It don't make a fuck. It stuck anyway, didn't it? It's water or no water. Don't matter what it was. You won't do this or I'll take you right between the motherfucking eyes with the damn
I'm trying to help you.
Help me help. I don't need your fucking help. I've done got the shit and stink out of it now anyway.
Granny knows what she's doing. Just
Are you sure you didn't
get out the way,
fix it?
Jake.
And put the pot on top of it and leave it on the fucking stove and it melded. It melded. It sure did.
What?
It did.
What did it?
Oh my
What
god.
did it do?
Fucking thing melded, okay?
What the hell is that?
You want to smell of it, motherfucker, and see what that is? Mildew, mother! You want to smell of it?
No, thank
You
you.
know, it's like cold clothes. They get bad if you don't clean them right, get them dry,
Ooh.
or wash them right then. They fucking mildew.
Oh, hell no, dude.
I would damn. Oh, fuck, this thing even stinks.
Oh,
Lord have
Jesus
mercy.
Christ, Granny.
What the fuck did she put in this damn thing?
That one was me. I was cooking dog food.
It's raining right now, with a break in about 20 minutes.
What?
No shit, I know it's raining.
You're...
Motherfucker.
What?
Stupid ass. With a chance of thunderstorm. What the fuck she think she's doing outside now?
According to the Alexa Answers contributor, a tornado is a narrow, violently rotating column of air that extends from a thunderstorm to the ground. Because wind is invisible, it is hard to see a tornado unless it forms a condensation funnel made up of water droplets, dust and debris.
What the fuck did she say? What are the chances
Good God.
of a hurricane?
5 Church are St. John Coltrane Church.
Let me finish!
Cathedral, Crathie Kirk.
What
and
the
St.
fuck
Patrick's
is she
Cathedral
talking
Church
about?
Ireland.
She's going on with a bunch of fucking shit. I don't even know what the hell she's talking about. What are the chances of a hurricane or a tornado?
Here's something I found on the web.
Oh, motherfucker, what you found on the web. I don't give a damn what you found on the fucking web.
And radar observations indicate that Herda is non-metallic.
I
Oh,
don't give
my
a
God.
shit. What's the safest place to go in case of a tornado?
Here's something I found on the web. According to myhighplains.com, the safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement or an underground shelter if possible.
Oh, shit.
What if you ain't got... Hey, Alexa. What if you ain't got a fucking basement? Alexa.
Stumped her that time.
What if you ain't got a fucking basement? Where's the safest place to go?
I'm not sure.
Well, that makes two of us, 'cause I sure the fuck don't know either. I thought she knowed everything.
I don't know, Gran. There's some things she don't know. Like, watch. Alexa, how many fingers do I have up?
I'm feeling fine about 9.
Motherfucker.
What?
9.
She was close.
Rolling up fucking 2. Hey, Alexa. Am I gonna be rich?
I don't have an answer for that.
First fucking time I've asked you a question, you ain't got an answer to it. Hey, Alexa. Am I gonna hit the lottery big?
Lottery, Renegade, by K. Kemp. on
What in the
Amazon.
fuck is she talking about?
Wait.
What the fuck is she doing?
Go, let's go.
Holy sh! Wow. Oh my god. What a way to end that video. She was close, but I'm holding up 2 fingers. She said 9, but I'm holding up 2, so she's pretty close. Oh my god, Jake. Oh, man. Well, that was a video reaction for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, ring the bell next to the subscribe button to get notified every time I upload a video, or every time I go live, whichever comes first. And don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below of what you thought of this reaction. And with that being said, I'm going to get out of here, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.